right, ladies and gentlemen, today we are working on section 4.5, chapter 4, section 5. We are going to be multiplying money. Money, 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 money. And with multiplying money, we are going to be drawing pictures. Say woo! Isn't that fun? I know how you guys love to draw some pictures and love to play with money. So, going right into it. Here you can see I have written out a word problem, all having to do with money. Let's read our word problem together. 3 friends go to the local farmer's market. Ashley spends $8.25, or 8.25. Natalie spends 4 times as much money as Ashley. And Patrick spends $9.50 more than Natalie. My question, how much does Patrick spend? Well, as you can see down low, I'm going to have to find out how much Natalie, Ashley, and Patrick all spend in order to solve my final question on how much Patrick spends. So looking at this problem, let's figure out what I know and what I don't know. Looking at it step by step, Ashley spends $8.25. Period. Point blank. That's how much she spends. So I can fill that in down below where it says Ashley. My next statement says that Natalie spends 4 times as much as Ashley. Now I know, based on this, that if I get 4 times as much as somebody else, I'm going to have more than that somebody else. If I eat 4 times more pizza than somebody, then I am going to be eating more pizza. So I'm going to take the amount of money that Ashley spent, that $8.25, and I'm going to find 4 times as much. Meaning I'm going to multiply 4 times 8.25. Now I know from previous sections in this chapter that I can pretend like the decimal doesn't even exist, and I can bump it back in after I find my product. So I'm going to pretend like I am multiplying 825 times 4, or 825 times 4. Times 4 equals 3,300. But I know that that's not what I was multiplying. I can see here that I have 2 digits behind my decimal. So in my answer, in my product, I need to have 2 digits behind my decimal. Meaning that Natalie spent $33. But this is not my final question that they're asking me. My question wants to know how much Patrick spends. So to find how much Patrick spends, I have to go up to my story again and find Patrick. And it says that Patrick spends $9.50 more than Natalie spends. So in order to do this, I need to take the amount of money that Natalie spends and add an additional $9.50, because that's what my story problem tells me. More I know tells me that it's going to be an addition. So going back to chapter 3, I'm going to now add how much money Natalie has, my $33, with the additional $9.50 that Patrick spent, to find his total amount that he spent. that my decimals line up in my problem. Bring the decimal straight down. Patrick spent $42.50. This is my answer to my problem. Hooray! And that, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, and those couple aliens sneaking in there, we can tell from this that pictures help, and going through a problem step by step is important. Notice on this problem that I broke it down person by person, went with what I know, and moved on from there.